Okay, done.
Welcome, dear students, to the day 2 of free ethics mentorship for the mains examination. Yesterday, we had discussed a topic related to quotes asked in the examination, and I had also given you a template and a question to practice. So today, we are discussing the same question. The question is on a quote by Jawaharlal Nehru. It says, "To awaken the people, it is the women who must be awakened. Once she is on the move, the family moves, the village moves, the nation moves." What does this quote mean to you in the present context? Write in 250 words. Yesterday itself, I had explained you whenever you encounter such quotes, always try to understand the core meaning of it. This is the most important and quintessential thing that you have to do when you see the question first sight. Don't start writing the answer, because then you will go in different direction and the examiner would just give you some ceremonial marks in order to otherwise pay more attention to deciphering the core message of the quote. So here the quote is referring to the role of women, the very important, the crucial role of women in driving the social and national progress. Why social? Because the village moves, the family moves. The family and village constitutes the society, and then it says the nation moves, then the nation progress. So it highlights the importance of women in societal and national progress. So we have now identified the important theme, the core message. Now let's get to setting up the context. So now we have set in the context that in the modern context, empowering women is a key strategy for achieving sustainable development and societal transformation. Sustainable development, a development which is sustainable for the coming generation, not only for the present generation, but also the coming generation, and the societal transformation. So now in the body, we have to explain how women have played a role in societal and national progress. First point, let's use our pestle approach. Political, economic, social, technological, legal, and ethical. First, educational empowerment. Women have impact on families. Educated women prioritize children's education. You know that a mother will ensure that her children are much more educated than she is, because she knows the importance of education in empowering a person. So here we can give the instance of Kasturba Balika Vidyalaya scheme in India. Then in community development, women have played crucial role. Seva Self-Employment Women Association is a case in point. Then political participation, we can name the Prime Minister, the former Prime Minister of New Zealand, Jacinda Ardern, who had been globally recognized for her compassionate and effective governance, especially during the COVID. Policy influence, you must have heard the name of Aruna Roy, a social activist and a politician who had played an instrumental role in enactment of RTI Act in India. Now, let us explore the economic angle. Workforce participation has been ensured by Mudra Yojana. Now, what we are doing, we are putting one important example in each of the point so that our points make sense to the examiner. Then in the entrepreneurship, we can mention about Richa Kar, who is the founder of Jimave, a lingerie market in India, which not only provided employment but also empowered women. Social change and advocacy. Grassroots movements have been led by women, like Chipko movement was led by women only. Health and safety, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, which focuses on health and hygiene, is an important case in point. Technological advancement. Google has launched Internet Sati, which empowered rural women by providing them digital skills. Nowadays, we are talking about three kinds of literacy: the general literacy, fiscal literacy, and digital literacy. So digital literacy has also become very crucial, and Google is playing an important role here. STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So there is a program called Girls Who Code. It tries to bridge the gender gap in technology field. So you can mention such unique examples. You can mention others also if you remember them. Then we can use the legal and reform wala part. that there is Justice Leela Seth, the first women judge of Delhi High Court, who played a crucial role in reforming laws related to women and children in India. Gender equality, we can mention the Vishaka Guideline, the sexual harassment of women at workplace, which championed the women activists and ensure safer work environments. Now, what we have done in this answer, first we constructed the essence of the code. Then on the basis of essence of the code, we have identified, okay, social progress में करते हैं, national progress में करते हैं. So now we are giving examples from all the fields. Subheading of the main point and also the example. Lastly, we conclude that empowering women is pivotal to societal transformation and national development. Through education, political participation, economic contribution, and social advocacy, technological advancements, and legal reforms, women drive comprehensive progress, ensuring sustainable and inclusive growth for the nation. So last में हमने क्या किया? Last में हमने सब चीजों को कंडेंस कर दिया और बता दिया कि भाई एजुकेशन से, पॉलिटिकल पार्टिसिपेशन से, इकोनॉमिक कंट्रीब्यूशन, सोशल एडवोकेसी, टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट और लीगल रिफॉर्म से women can play a very important role in inclusive growth for the nation. So हमने लास्ट में भी वही पॉइंट को हम ले गए कि भाई if women moves, the family moves, the village moves, and the nation moves. So hence we have proved that the statement by Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, stands as important as it was that time, and even more important today when the women are globally have been playing important role in family, village, state, and national development. So this was the answer. But now let me discuss with you some templates, which I had already discussed yesterday. And now I shall throw light on that template part again for your understanding. So what are the ready-made templates for such quotes? First is introduction.
Sir, kindly zoom into the page.
Now is it visible?
Yes. You can little bit minimize it also. It is visible anyway.
So we were discussing the templates of such answers. सबसे पहले introduction. Explain what the quote means in general terms. We had explained that okay, women plays important role in societal and national progress. So we explained it in general terms. फिर relevance establish किया modern context में. हमने बोला कि sustainable development में important role है, economic growth में important role है. फिर key point and examples दिए हमने major areas से where the women have played an important role. We had provided specific current examples from administration, politics, and other relevant fields. हर point को हमने concise रखा, directly related रखा to the theme. Now see, सबसे पहले introduction, then key points and example, and then conclusion. अब इस चीज को भी हम और डिटेल ब्रेकडाउन करके देखते हैं. पहला है इंट्रोडक्शन. इंट्रोडक्शन में हमने क्या किया? कोड एक्सप्लेनेशन किया, कंटेक्सचुअल रेलेवेंस हमने बताया, लिंक किया कोड को टू द प्रेजेंट कॉन्टेक्स्ट. फिर हमने की पॉइंट्स और एग्जांपल्स दिए, पॉलिटिकल पार्टिसिपेशन से, इकोनॉमिक कंट्रीब्यूशन से, सोशल चेंज से, टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट, लीगल रिफॉर्म से. फिर हमने करंट एग्जांपल्स के बारे में बताया, जैसे एजुकेशन के अंदर कस्तूरबा गांधी बालिका विद्यालय, पॉलिटिकल पार्टिसिपेशन से जसिंदा आर्जन और अनवर रॉय, इकोनॉमिक कंट्रीब्यूशन से मुद्रा योजना और ऋचा कर, सोसाइटल चेंज से चिपको मूवमेंट, स्वच्छ भारत अभियान, टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट से गूगल का इंटरनेट साथी एंड गर्ल हू कोड, लीगल रिफॉर्म से लीला सेठ, सेक्सुअल हरासमेंट ऑफ वुमेन एट वर्क प्लेस, एंड फिर लास्ट में हमने कंक्लूड कर दिया बाय समराइजिंग द इम्पैक्ट. नाउ फिर लास्ट में हमने ब्रीफ और डायरेक्ट भी कर दिया कि द कंक्लूजन वाज ससेंट, इट रीइंफोर्सेस द कोर मैसेज ऑफ द कोड. जब हमने बताया ना कि लास्ट में जाके हमने वहीं पे लिया है उसको कि सोसाइटल और नेशनल प्रोग्रेस के अंदर विमेन का रोल. नाउ सी व्हाट शुड बी द माइंडसेट फॉर आंसरिंग सच क्वेश्चन. सबसे पहले मैंने बताया अंडरस्टैंड द कोड. इसके बिना काम नहीं चलेगा. थोड़े कम एग्जांपल ले दोगे काम चल जाएगा, कुछ पॉइंट्स मिस आउट कर जाओगे फिर भी काम चल जाएगा, बट कोड ही अंडरस्टैंड नहीं किए काम नहीं चलेगा. सबसे पहले सबसे ज्यादा फोकस इस पर रखना है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग द मीनिंग ऑफ द कोड. फिर करंट रेलेवेंस सेटअप करना है उसका कि हाउ इट अप्लाइज टू द कंटेम्परेरी इश्यूज एंड डेवलपमेंट. फिर स्ट्रक्चर्ड कोई रेस्पॉन्स देना है, उसको क्लियर वेल डिफाइंड सेक्शंस में विद रेलेवेंट एग्जांपल्स हमको देना है. कंसाइसनेस पे फोकस करना है कि आवर पॉइंट शुड बी कंसाइज, डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड टू द क्वेश्चन, एंड मेंटेन क्लैरिटी एंड इंपैक्ट. भाई क्लैरिटी बहुत जरूरी है, हमने हर पॉइंट के अंदर क्लैरिटी दिखाया जैसे गर्ल्स हु कोड वाला हो, इंटरनेट साथी वाला हो। फिर इस स्ट्रक्चर्ड अप्रोच से हमने क्या किया, हमने इंश्योर किया कि our answer was focused, relevant and illustrative of the profound influence of women in the present context. Same template or approach, detailed background and mindset can be used in answering the other quote-based questions. Now, again, I have one practice question for you by Swami Vivekananda. Do not hate anybody, because that hatred that comes out from you must, in the long run, come back to you. If you love, that love will come back to you, completing the circle. So it is talking about some circle of life. Try to use our templates in answering this question. Let's meet tomorrow. I think so. This was all from my side. If you have any question, please ask.
Shall I put off the recording?
Yeah, sure. You can put down the recording.